Greetings from Max Tie Downs. This coronavirus pandemic has not only gripped our nation but the world. I'm sure many of you are tuning into all the media, social media, news media, every other kind of media. I'm personally kind of over it. I'm choosing to be productive, to be safe and healthy, but at the same time getting the jobs done that need to be done and keeping a product flow out of Max. And without you, our customers, we don't have any product to ship. So thanks to all of you that continue to support the Max brand. The last few weeks we've taken this opportunity to clean, to sort, to organize, and very exciting news, to prepare for receiving a new piece of machine tooling, machinery. And to put this into perspective, while it is a very, very scary time to be out there spending money and reinvesting, I feel it's the right thing to do to support American manufacturing. And what we've done here is tear out an office and a restroom to make the next highest and best use of this space in an effort to receive this new piece of equipment. To put that into perspective, this new piece of equipment represents an investment greater than 2.5 times larger than any machinery investment I've made in the last 26 years at Max Tie Downs. So we wouldn't have the need for that equipment without you, our customers. So we're very appreciative of your orders each and every day. We are shipping every day. We're just doing it a bit differently. We've got a couple sewers working from home. We've got a skeleton crew here, but that crew is extremely busy building the best tie-down equipment that you can buy. 800-666-1586 or shop our website at maxtiedowns.com.